Good afternoon, folks. It is Monday the 2nd of December and I think it's coming to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Really nice with Coca-Cola or Pepsi. Really nice drink. Anyway, I just had to attend to an inquiry at the local bus station here, inquiring about a form I need to send off. So I've already done that, but in the meantime I thought I've actually heard, I've saw online news confirming that as part of the Belfast Grand Central Station, the surroundings around it, yeah, so they are going to, I think they're on their way to demolish it, despite protests from locals saying that it's a big part of Belfast history and they're not happy about it. But it looks like they've went on ahead with that, dismissing the wishes of the locals to preserve the bridge. That's the old station over there. So I'm just going to have a quick closer look here. I wasn't paying attention there a little bit, but he's going at a slow enough speed. Yeah, so they've really just completely boarded this up to avoid, I guess, people going over it, and I think that'll be a good thumbnail. Yeah. Big, massive redevelopment around this area here of Glengall Street, and resurfacing works around the big station here. Of course, this is the old train station, and the local businesses are still functioning at Great Northern Mall, even though some of them have moved around. Yeah, I was in the area anyway. I'm gonna go for a workout after this, but just thought while I'm in the area, just do a quick filming. Wow, it's completely closed off, and yeah, this is a shop here, it's completely emptied. This was actually still open recently. I'm thinking they're just, I heard that this is going to be a food hall market. Some of the businesses in Mall Street there are being renovated, but yeah, there's cranes on the bridge. Yeah, they're going to go ahead. Yeah, they've actually removed some vending machines there, used to be there. That shop's still open. And yeah, you can just sort of see, I can't zoom in weirdly enough, but there's cranes there doing some demolishing work. people who go in town at City Hall on a Saturday, usually the people who show the Union Jack flags, representing the Unionist community parts of Belfast, but I did see a bit of a gathering griping about the bridge being demolished, but I'm gonna just see if I can get a good close picture up here, and then I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, obviously no buses are going to be coming in and out here anymore. I can see some rubble there, and yeah, the bridge kind of looks a bit roughed up a little bit, but yep, they're going to go ahead with it. They're going to go ahead. If they're going to demolish the bridge at this point, and it's official, they're going to go ahead. Despite previously they've took some legal routes to the courts to overturn it, of demolishing the bridge, but if they've already went for the go-ahead, but in response to doing those big protest gatherings in the city centre, what difference is that going to make if they've already went ahead? I'm just saying. But anyway, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna go to a gym and I'm out of here. Bye.